Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you some beautiful vintage style home decoration ideas that will bring timeless charm and cozy elegance into your space. From distressed furniture to lace details, floral prints and antique accents, these tips will help you create a warm and nostalgic atmosphere in your home. Let's dive into the world of vintage home decor together. Add own metals, brush, copper or old iron accents like candle holders, handles or bedrooms. Enhance the vintage feel. Go for vintage rugs, Persian rugs, faded floral carpets, or open jute rugs. Add instant character. Use vintage frames creatively. Hang empty ornate frames, layer them on a mantel, or use them for mirrors. Mix patterns, florals, stripes, or polka dots can work together when kept in soft, muted shades. Embrace handmade touches, crochet cushion covers, hand-painted ceramics, or embroidered linens. Add personal warmth. Decorate with vintage books. Stack old hardcovers on coffee tables, shelves, or nightstands. Add antique mirrors. Gilded or distressed mirrors make a room feel larger and add old world charm. Use soft wallpapers, floral, damask or tall wallpapers. Bring instant vintage character. Incorporate porcelain and china. Display teacups, saucers, and ceramic plates in open shelves or glass cabinets. Decorate with baskets. Open wicker baskets for storage keep their home cozy and functional. Embrace vintage kitchenware. Animal teapots, glass jars, and copper pans double as decoration. Add crochet and lace everywhere. Doilies on tables, crochet pillow covers, or lace lampshades give a delicate touch. Mix vintage glassware. Collect mismatched glass bottles, mason jars, or colored glass vases for shelves and tables. Layer lighting. Combine candeliers, wall sconces, and table lamps for a soft vintage glow. Add vintage trays. Use brush, silver or open trays to display perfumes, candles and teacups. old maps and globes, perfect for wall art or as decorative objects on shelves. Use vintage hardware. Replace modern cabinet handles and drawer pulls with brush or ceramic knobs. Rustic storage ideas. Wooden crates, vintage tins, or animal buckets can be used for organizing. The best vintage decor comes from mixing practical features like storage or seating with purely decorative ones like flash runners, candles, and old trinkets. That balance makes your home both functional and charming. Use tins and jars. Store cookies, spices, and sewing supplies in retro tins and glass jars. Hang a vintage candelier. Crystal or old iron candelabres instantly add old elegance. Use lace or crochet tablecloths, perfect for dining tables, side tables, or even layered over plain fabric. Frame botanical prints, old flower illustrations, and bird sketches look charming on the walls. Add a vintage desk lamp, brush, animal, or Tiffany style lamps bring character to study corners. Furniture with character. Use distressed wooden furniture, antique dressers, or iron bedrooms. Carved lines and ornate detailing bring authenticity. Fabrics and textiles. Floral prints, lace curtains, crochet toiles, embroidered cushions, and patchwork quilts add softness. Decor accessories. Display old clocks, typewriters, gramophones, vintage mirrors, or antique lamps for a nostalgic feel. DIY and upcycling. Repurpose old furniture, use messengers as candle holders, or repaint an old cabinet for a rustic, cozy look. Lighting. Candeliers, lanterns, and soft warm lighting enhance the old or charm. Natural touches. Fresh flowers in antique vases, potted plants, or dried floral arrangements add life and warmth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these vintage home decoration tips inspired you to add a touch of timeless charm to your own